How to become a medical writer, a complete guide. Medical writing is a rewarding in-demand career that blends science, healthcare, and communication. Whether you're a life sciences graduate, healthcare professional, or strong writer with a love for research, this field offers flexibility, good pay, and meaningful work. But how do you get started? Like or subscribe now for more videos. 1. What medical writers do. Medical writers create clear, accurate content related to medicine and health. There are two main types: regulatory writing, clinical study reports, protocols, and submissions for health authorities. Medcoms marketing writing, educational and promotional materials like blog posts, patient brochures, slide decks, and web content. Some focus on patient education, others on scientific publications or even plain language summaries. 2. Are you a good fit? You might be a great candidate if you have a background in life sciences, medicine, or pharmacy, enjoy explaining complex topics in simple ways, can read and interpret research papers, write clearly and precisely, are open to learning medical terminology and standards. Even if you don't meet all these, you can still break in with effort and training. 3 key skills to learn. Medical writing blends scientific literacy with communication. Start building. Writing, grammar and scientific tone, summarizing articles, adapting language for professionals or the public, science and research. Read clinical trials and studies. Learn how to interpret graphs and data. Document types. Know the basics of CSRs, protocols, leaflets, and blogs. And tools. Microsoft Word, track changes, reference managers like Zotero or EndNote, PowerPoint and Excel are 4. Build knowledge free and paid. You don't need a medical degree. Start with free or low-cost resources. Free, Coursera edX, courses on writing or biology. PubMed, read and summarize articles. YouTube, writing tips and industry insights. Google Scholar, practice summarizing papers. Paid. MWA, courses and certifications. Udemy Medcoms Academy, Intro to Medical Writing. These will teach you essential skills and terminology. 5. Create a portfolio. You'll need writing samples to land work. Try summarizing a research article for a lay audience, writing a fictional patient info leaflet, creating a blog post or slide deck on a medical topic. Don't wait to get hired. Make your own samples. Publish them on LinkedIn or a personal blog. 6. Gain experience. If you're new, gain experience to build credibility. Volunteer for health nonprofits or science blogs. Freelance on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Offer help to medtech startups or local clinics. Each sample builds your confidence and future client trust. 7.
Get paid work, full-time jobs. Search for roles like medical writer, health content creator, scientific communications, associate. Check LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indeed, or Medcoms agencies.
Freelance. Platforms like Upwork or People Per Hour. Pitch directly to agencies. Use LinkedIn to showcase samples and network. Tip. Start with lower rates, then increase as you gain skill and credibility. 8. Grow and specialize as you gain experience. Specialize in what you love. Regulatory writing, patient education, or clinical trials. Specialization boosts both trust and rates. Stay current by reading medical news, joining writing groups, attending webinars or conferences. The more you know, the more valuable you become. 9. How much can you earn? Income depends on skill and niche. Beginner, $25K, $35K a year or 30-60 hour. Mid-level, $40K, $60K a year or 70-100 hour. Experienced, $70K PUS or 120 hour and up. Freelancers may charge per word, project, or hour. 10. Final tips: you don't need a PhD to get started. What you do need: curiosity, consistency, a willingness to keep learning. Start with free resources, build a few samples, and pitch small clients. As your experience grows, so will your confidence, rates, and reputation. The world needs more clear, trusted voices in healthcare. Why not yours?